Hello, dear friends. How are you all? I hope all of you are best today. Yes, my name is Harsha, and today it's my second lecture on the subject Roar, it's possible. Yes, roar, it's possible. Before starting with my subject, I would like to say that everybody, and mainly females, have a thought in their mind that she must look beautiful, isn't it? But then question arises, what is the meaning of beauty? Here, going to the subject, we will go after a few seconds. Before that, it is necessary to clarify, to know what is the meaning of beauty. First of all, to a lady, I would like to ask, are you dying to hear from somebody that he should say about you, you are beautiful? Yes, you are. You are extremely beautiful. Or really you want to listen from somebody that the most beautiful thing on this earth, what it is? Somebody must say about you that your shadow is the second most beautiful thing in the world. Then, what is the first most beautiful thing in the world, which is you? Thirdly, you really want to hear from somebody that he should say about you. I thought of writing a summary about you, but when finished, it was a big book. And lastly, do you think that it must be this way? That there is no cosmetic on this earth or in this world which can create a beauty like yours? I would say no, no, no. To reach to your goal, name, fame, award, sun, moon, or medal, anything, mountain, beauty is not at all the only thing which can take you to your target. Another thing I would like to say is that too often we underestimate a very small thing like a kind word, smile, listening an ear, an honest compliment, or a smallest act of caring. All these things are very important, and all these things have the real potential to change your life around. Yes. So positive thinking process is must and unavoidable. If at all suppose all of you think that beauty is the only important thing to take you to reach to your goal, in that case, look at the high personalities in the world, in politics, in Bollywood, or in Hollywood. Do you think all are handsome and most beautiful. Not at all. But still they could reach to their goal. Why it is so? Because their firm wish, their firm positive thinking, which is continuously towards their target, and that is the only thing which has taken them to reach their goal. Here I would like to say that, suppose if I give you a very small example to understand what way you can think negative process to positive process. For example, if I say that I always eat too much, or another example is there that I will not at all lose my weight. In this case, both the phrases are exactly absolute about you. It is 100% correct statement about you. But for positive thinking, you have to state this particular statement, mainly first example, in this manner that in the past I have eaten a lot, but at present I am better with how much I eat. This is the rephrase of the above example. This creates positive thinking in your mind. In this manner, if you start thinking positively, you can reach to your goal. There are so many very easy strategies which can definitely take you to your goal, and it is too easy to apply in your day-to-day life. Or you should do this way also, that you should give yourself internal critique session and stop, break, halt your negative thoughts and apply to your positive thinking process in your day-to-day life. This can only achieve your goal. Negative exaggeration in your life can break your achievement, can take you to negative achievements which you are not at all interested in. Now there is a little bit that you must know about the word love. L-O-V-E, love. This word is derived from a Sanskrit word. It means what? Love means the looking at good, looking at beautiful. This love word, the meaning of it is experienced by each and every person present here, isn't it? Yes, you must have experienced the love. But what does it mean? Love means looking for good. For example, suppose if you love any girl or any boy, you always think of best qualities in him or her, and you really overlook the bad qualities of that particular person, isn't it? This way, you should convince your mind, you should follow this way, that never think about your negative thoughts, negative achievements, negative things in yourself. Always look at, accentuate your assets, your real strengths. Don't look at what you don't have. Never ever. Yes. Before I come to my conclusion, I would like to say that you can reach to your goal with your broken hand, but not at all with broken heart. Yes. Secondly, whenever difficulty comes, don't close your eyes. Keep your eyes wide open and face it. You can win it. And thirdly, don't pay attention to what others say about you. It may create inferiority complex in you, and it may kill you from going to the path of your goal. And lastly, I would like to say that between can and cannot, the difference is only of 3 alphabets. Only 3 alphabets. N-O-T, not. So this difference you totally break. Start thinking positively. Apply the different easiest strategies, which is taking you to your goal. And always avoid what is a hurdle in your path. So at the end, my conclusion is that roar, it's possible. Yes, with everybody, it is possible.